behind the camera today, and this is Rob, the product manager of the Solitude line for Grand Design. So we're in a brand new rig, and he is going to show you through it. So what is this floor plan?
This is the brand new 2930 S-Class. Nice thing about this, the reason why this was designed, we have a lot of people that own Reflections right now. It's the #2 selling fifth wheel in the country. They want to trade up, they don't necessarily want to go all the way to a Solitude. So this is kind of fits right in the middle of the road between the Reflection and the full-blown Solitude brand. Nice thing about this particular floor plan, it's only 34.4 inches long, weighs just over 11,000 pounds, and it's got a very light tongue weight. So a lot of the heavy-duty 3/4 ton late model trucks out there can pull this. You don't have to go to a 1 ton or a big dually or something like that.
And this rig has a less expensive price tag than the Solitude line, right?
Correct, that is correct. Yeah, this is MSRP is going to be somewhere in the mid-70s.
Okay, perfect. Well, if you could show us around, we would appreciate it.
Again, thinking of the small package that this has, we actually packed a lot of stuff in here. You can see the massive counter space in here, nice little coffee bar over here. We actually went with the all-in-one farm sink in here as well, so it's a lot easier to wash your big pots and pans and those sorts of things. All the S-Class models come standard with the 12 cubic foot RV refrigerator. You can also option an 18 cubic foot residential in here as well for the same price. Massive pantry. What's cool about this is, and we'll get up front in a little bit, but this is what's called a north-south bed. So the bed runs parallel with the coach. The bed's not in a slide out. The problem with that is, what do you do with your washer dryer prep? So we put this massive pantry in here, and if you wanted to put a side-by-side washer dryer in here, your dryer would actually go on the bottom over here, and your washer would go in this cabinet right here. And if you don't choose to do so, you got just absolute massive storage. Just like its big brother, the Solitude, this is still on a 101-inch wide-body platform. So what that does, it gives you more floor space and a shorter coach. Additionally, it gives you an 81-inch sofa in the rear, which is actually a trifold as well. USB ports on each side with end tables. Same power, heat, massage, reclining furniture that you're going to have in the Big Brother Solitude as well. So again, holding true to Solitude, look around, you have almost 360 panoramic windows all over. Again, letting the natural light into the coach. Additionally, in the S-Class, we added this skylight on the roof, which again, on a dark, gloomy day, just adds an actual ton of light in here. So a few things that we've done in here to, again, a lot of it is to keep the actual length down. Again, we went to a north-south bed. So most bedrooms, when you have a north-south bed, feel like a cave. This is typically the only window that you get, and it's typically not even that big. So again, we're the only guys in our price point that incorporates a windshield in the front of the coach and just brings all that natural light into the bedroom, makes it feel nice and spacious. Massive nightstands, USB ports on both sides of the bed, and individually controlled lights. A lot of these guys will have their 2 overhead lights, and it'll be on 1 switch. So if your spouse is wanting to go to sleep and you're wanting to read, the light's either on or it's off. There's no in between. We built a model called a 384 GK. It was a 41-foot unit, really good seller for us, and it had this bath in it. So we tried to figure out how to incorporate that into, again, a unit that's 34.4. So tons of counter space, tons of storage space, massive linen closet on this side. And then again, you get the sunken tub in here that gives you 6'7" of head height, 6'7" plus rim of head height. Great for small dogs, great for small kids, that sort of thing. So
this S-Class also features a drop frame, 1 large pass-through storage, 3 slides, 2 patio awnings, electric auto leveling, and step-above stairs. We've provided a link in the description of this video if you want more detailed specs on this floor plan. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to join our Getaway gang.